Why was your camera off at first?
Why was my camera off at first? I have it off when I'm waiting for kids to come into the meeting. Good question, Cadence. Good morning, everyone. Are we excited? Today is pajama day. So you get to come to school wearing your pajamas, and then we get to watch movies today.
With our pajamas on.
With your pajamas on, and you guys get treats and snacks. It's gonna be so exciting. Pretty sure everyone in this Zoom chat right now is coming today too, so that is so exciting. Right, Miss Page? I'll see you later. Yes. Yep. Awesome. Okay. So reminder, today is pajama day. You gotta wear whatever you want, whatever pajamas. Cadence, you have a question, honey?
One second.
Okay. Did you forget?
Why do we have to do Zooms? My parents didn't know we had to do Zooms.
Today?
Yeah.
Because you still have class today. So we have your math right now. We're going to be doing some math right before you go on to break so that we don't forget our math. And then we get to do some watercolor after this with Miss Prince. And then you guys come into school and we get to do our movie day.
But before I had to do 3 Zooms and then go to school.
Yep.
That's weird.
Today is a special day. We don't have to do as many Zooms now.
It is a special day. Probably because it's getting close to Christmas.
Yep, today is your last day. So your break starts on Monday. You don't have to come to school on Monday. We don't have Zooms.
We're gonna, for 2 weeks, we don't have to do school.
You don't have any school for 2 weeks. So I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. But I want you guys right now to find your apple worksheet. It has apples on it, okay? All right, it should look like...
Today?
I'm sorry?
Do they have to bring anything today?
Nope, they don't have to bring anything.
Snacks or anything, or just some?
No, we will be providing popcorn and drinks and some candy, so they are good. All right, so I hope you guys have this out. See if Miss Cheatham can find her pen. Cruz, do you have a question, buddy?
When we were talking, that's when I had it all this time.
Good job, Cruz. Thank you for being prepared. Okay, when you guys have that out, please use the raise your hand button so I know. Good job, Nicholas. Good job, Cruz.
Miss Cheetah?
Yes.
I already did that page.
That's okay, Delisa. We're going to do some practice, and then that means you don't have homework, okay?
Okay.
Did just Nicholas and Cruz have their paper out? Use the raise your hand button if you have it. Good job, Cadence. Paige, do you have your paper out? No? Can you get that out for me, please? You can't find it. It should be in your old packet. You wouldn't have gotten it in your new one.
Packet, is it in there?
No.
Sorry, Paige.
You do.
Okay. This is just a reminder that this is a plus sign. This is what shows us that we need to add two things together, right? We need to bring two groups together and count them together so that we can get what it equals, or the sum. All right, and this is our equal sign. This is how we know that we are looking for the sum, what it totals to, right? Okay, we're gonna do one right now. I have 4 apples on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4.
I can't find this page.
It would be in your old packet, buddy. So check in last week's packet. It's not going to be in your new one.
Okay.
I have 4, and then I don't add any more, so if I go, 4 is enough for me, I think that's good. What does 4 plus 0 equal? Who can tell me? Cruz, what does 4 plus 0 equal?
4.
Good job, Cruz. Yeah, 4 plus 0 equals 4, because I don't have anything else to add to it, right? So it's just going to equal 4. Good job. Let's see here. All right, if I have 3 apples, and then I'm like, I really need 3 more. So I have 3 plus 3. Oops, that doesn't look like a 3. What does 3 plus 3 equal, Paige? All right, Deleza, what is
6.
Good job. Good job, Paige. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And if I wanted to put that on my 10 frame, I would just need to make sure I fill up 6 spots, right? And it would look like that. All of my top row filled, and then 1 on my bottom.
Yesterday.
What?
I turned it in yesterday.
Oh, that's okay then, buddy. You can just kind of watch while we do the practice and help us with the practice problems, okay? We're only going to do a couple of these just because I know you guys have it. Miss Cheatham ate all those apples. Or if I have 1 apple, I'm like, oh, I am so full. I don't think I could have any more apples. What does 1 plus 0 equal, Cadence?
One.
Good job. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Because I didn't add anything else, right? I just have my 1 apple on this tree.
Wait, what are those math problems on the side of our paper that has the dice next to it?
These are some problems that it says that we should work on to make sure that we know them.
Well, I was just saying the ones that what they said the numbers, what the numbers equaled. So I was just saying the first row.
Yeah, good job. All right. If Miss Cheatham says I need enough so that I can feed my entire class. So I'm going to do, I know I have at least 5 kids, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples on there. But that's not right. I don't have enough. It says here that I have 12 kids. So I'm going to try adding a couple more and see if I can get to that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. If I add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does 5 plus 6 equal, Nicholas?
12?
Count it. Tell me if there's 12.
There's 11. You need one more.
You're right. I need one more. So I would do 11 plus
1.
1. Good job. 11 plus 1. And now I have 12. Now I have enough for the entire class to have one. Good job, Nicholas. All right. You guys have got this down.
I have an idea, teacher.
You have an idea?
How about we do this apple chart all by ourselves, and you don't help us even with the first one. You can actually see without helping us on the first one.
I think I'm still gonna help you on that one just so that everyone knows exactly how it's supposed to be done when you turn it in. But that is a good idea, Cadence.
What I meant is that you can tell us what we have to do, but don't help us with counting them and writing the numbers.
That's a good idea. Let's see here. We are gonna do one more. I'm gonna use my dice to decide which one we're doing. All right, it said 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. How many does that equal out to, Deleza? 5 plus 3.
8.
Good job, whoever said that. Good job. 5 plus 3 equals 8. You got that so fast, too. Okay, I want you to make sure you have this paper out. And double check that your name is at the top so me and Miss Prince know whose work it is. All right. And it says, count the apples in the tree, build it, write it, count the apples on the ground, build it, write it. How many in all? And so what this one is, can you please mute whoever is unmuted? Thank you. Okay. So what this one is asking you to do is we need to count how many is on top. So on this one, how many does it have, Nicholas? How many is on top on this one?
3.
Good job. There's 3 on top. So I'm going to write 3 there, and I'm going to put 3 dots in my 10 frame. And then Deleza, how many apples are on the ground?
2.
What was that?
2.
2. Good job. There are 2 apples on the ground. So I'm going to put that in my equation right there, in my sentence, and then I'm going to put 2 dots in my 10 frame. So Paige, what does 3 plus 2 equal?
Five. 5.
Good job, Paige. 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, so that's how you would do these problems. What was that?
100 plus 100. 100 is 2.
Good job, Angela. You're right. 100 plus 100 equals 200. Good job, Angela.
Just take the zeros off.
Yep, all you have to do is take the zeros off, right? And then it's easy to add. Okay. What was that, Nicholas?
1 plus 1 equals 2. So 100 plus 100 equals 200.
You are so right, Nicholas.
And if you wanted to add 200 plus 200, that would be 400.
You are so right. Good job, Nicholas.
Because take apart the zeros, put it away, put the zeros to the side,
Yep.
and put 2 plus 2 equals.
What does it equal?
400.
Good job.
And put the zeros back to the 2's.
Good job. You guys are so smart.
So it doesn't look like 2 plus 2 equals 400.
Right. Good job. All right. I want you guys, if you have this paper still, to go ahead and finish it. Okay, we have a few minutes to do that. And when you are finished with this page, go ahead and use the raise your hand button to let me know, okay? So I'm going to put everyone's hand down right now. Just go ahead and finish this page by yourself. Angela, do you have a question or are you finished?
Finished.
Good job, Angela.
Miss Cheetah,
Yes, Paulina.
is that in my packet?
It would be in last week's packet, Paulina. So it's not in the one you got last night, but the one you got the week before.
Okay.
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 Good job, Cruz. Good job, Eli. Petra, are you there? Petra, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you do the second problem right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell me what you got for it?
Like this and count them. You know how to do it. Just because they're asking you doesn't mean you can't remember. You know how to do it.
Cadence, I can see you, honey.
Okay, Keep counting. 1, 2, 4.
Do you need help with this one, Petra?
7.
Tell her what happened.
I got it wrong, and then I counted it again, and 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Good job, Petra. Good job. Yeah, you can always just count the apples and then you can double check your work to make sure you got it right. Good job. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 on top. And then you have 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. Awesome job checking your work, Petra. I put 1 too many. There you go. But that is what it should look like. Let's see here. Elijah, what did you get for the third one? What did you get for this one?
Five.
5. Good job. Because it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1. That's 5. Good job, Elijah. Let's see. Mason. Oh, you don't have your paper. That's right. Deleza, what did you get for this one? Eli, what did you get for this one? Deleza. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
What did you get for this
Yes.
problem right here?
I don't have my paper.
Oh, that's right. Never mind. Thank you, Deleza. Cadence, what did you get for this problem right here?
Let me look. 4 plus 1 equals
The one underneath it.
1 underneath it.
Yes.
The one that has the 5 and the 2.
Yes.
Okay. 5 and 2 equals 7.
Good job. You guys are so awesome at this. Thank you. All right, let's see. Last one. Paige, what did you get for this problem right here?
That 8 went in a knot.
Can you tell me what your addition sentence was?
Huh?
What did you put right here? What did you add, honey? So how many were in the tree?
8.
There was 8 altogether. Good job. How many plus how many did you add?
1.
What did you put right here?
A knot.
You mean 5?
Huh?
I think you added 5 plus 3, right, Paige?
Uh-huh.
Good job. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good job, Paige. If you came to packet pickup last night, you might have noticed in your new packet, there's a Go Math book. So when we come back from winter vacation, you guys get to do the Go Math book from now on. Isn't that so exciting? We get to move on to bigger math. That's super, super exciting because you guys are doing awesome at that. Okay?
I love math.
Good. I'm glad you love math. Yes, in your packet, you might have also noticed that you guys got there wasn't a cold lady who swallowed some snow book, that is your present from Miss Prince and Senorita Garcia to you. So you get to keep that book. Tape?
They know I loved cats and
Yes.
rabbits.
Yes, you're so right. So we gave you that book. That is yours to keep. That is your Christmas present from Miss Prince and Senorita Garcia, okay? Taped to your book is an eraser. That is also from the teachers to you, so you get to keep all of that, okay?
I love the cat though.
Good, I'm glad you love it.
And I use it as a toy and an eraser.
Yes, you can totally do that. That's awesome. Okay, you guys, we're gonna read The Gingerbread Man Loose in the School. So we're gonna see what happens. It says, I began in a bowl, I was not yet myself. Just a list of ingredients pulled from a shelf. Sugar, ginger, salt, an egg. Chosen by children who measured and mixed my smooth spicy batter while sneaking quick licks. Yummy. A sprinkle of ginger, some cinnamon too, molasses, soft butter, and eggs as my glue. Then in their classroom the children began to roll me and mold me to look like a man. They added some sweets to make me complete, cinnamon candies, licorice, icing, mints, and I baked on a pan in the warm oven heat. It's pretty toasty in here. I heard a small ding, and they pulled out the pan. Finally, I thought, I'm a gingerbread man. The teacher called recess. The class jumped in line. They raced out the door, and they left me behind. I popped off the pan, yelling, please take me too. I want to be part of the class, just like you. I'll run and I'll run as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. Bouncing and bounding my way down the hall, I rounded the corner and spotted a ball. It rolled up so fast I had no time to hide. Then, flat as a pancake, I stuck to its side. The coach picked it up and I started to bounce. There's somebody down here, I had to announce. Who's that? He said, stopping. He said, stopping. Well, let's have a looky. He jumped when he saw me. Good grief, it's a cookie. I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind. Your class passed the gym a few minutes ago. Run fast and you'll catch them. Oh no. Where's your toe? My toe? It came off. What now? What should I do? Go straight down the hall and our nurse can help you. I'll limp and I'll limp as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. I picked up my toe, then into a room that was tidy and small. The nurse came right over. She squatted down low. I pointed and showed her my broken off toe. You're quite a tough cookie. We'll fix you like new. I grinned and said thanks. I'm a smart cookie too. You certainly are if you found your way here, and what a brave face, not one single tear. She fixed up my toe with a small dab of glue, then reached for a bandage and stuck that on too. I'm the gingerbread man, but I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind. Your class turned the corner just minutes ago. Try asking the art teacher. Maybe he'll know. He's right down the stairs. You can take a quick ride. Just hop on the handrail. It makes a great slide. I'll slide and I'll slide as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. With spectacular speed, I slid to the floor and bounded right in through a large wooden door. I leapt for a table, but landed inside a brown paper bag with its top open wide. I plopped on a sandwich and chips with a crunch. Oh no, I cried out. I'm in somebody's lunch. I tried to climb out, but I spied two big eyes. They peered in the bag with a look of surprise. I'm the art teacher here, he said with a grin. This is my lunch bag, so glad you dropped in. I'm the gingerbread man, but I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind. Your class passed the art room just minutes ago. You might ask the principal. Maybe she'll know. I leapt from the table. I waved and then said, thanks for not taking a bite of my head. I'll skip and I'll skip as fast as I can. I can catch them. I'm their gingerbread man. I passed through an office, slipped under a door, and discovered a room I had yet to explore. I jumped on a desk, then leapt to a chair. It started to spin, and I twirled through the air. Whee! Despite feeling dizzy, I jumped up for more, but I froze when I saw someone peek in the door. I'm Principal Peacock, she said, stepping in. That is my chair you just took for a spin. I'm the gingerbread man, and I'm trying to find the children who made me but left me behind. The children you mentioned just left you to cool. They're hanging these posters of you through the school. Missing. Look, it says missing. It has pictures of them. And there on the wall was a drawing of me. The poster said missing from room 23. If found, please return him as soon as you can. We think he is lost. He's our gingerbread man. I jumped in her hand. Can you show me the way? We rushed to my classroom to shouts of hooray. The class said, we missed you. We want you to stay and be our new friend. Please don't run away. We made you a gingerbread desk and a chair and a house all your own. It is cozy in there. You're part of our class now. You're where you belong. Next time we go out, we will take you along. I felt right at home here. I liked my new place. I looked out the window, a smile on my face. I ran and I ran as fast as I could. I finally found them. I knew that I would. The end.